In this video, I'm going to show you how to add the AirPods battery widget to your iPhone lock screen. It's very straightforward and takes just a few steps. First, make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest iOS. You also got to make sure your AirPods are already connected to your iPhone. Now, wake up your iPhone and unlock it by entering your passcode or using the face scanner. After that, access the lock screen by pulling down the screen from the top left corner. Now, long press on the lock screen. You're going to see the Customize button at the bottom. Tap on that. Tap Lock Screen. Then tap on their area just below the clock or just above the shortcut icon like torch and camera icon for iOS 26 and later users. That's where the widgets go. Scroll down until you see the Batteries option. Tap on it. You'll see a few widget styles. Choose the one that shows your AirPods battery. Tap it to add it. Once you've added the widget, tap Done in the top right corner. Now, lock your phone. The widget's going to show your AirPods battery whenever they're connected. If it doesn't show up right away, you probably got to reconnect your AirPods by opening the case or popping them in your ears. That's all there is to it. Quick and useful. If you want to see more iPhone tips like this, stick around. Thanks for watching.